Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel where we help you take control of your oral health. One smile at a time. I want to start today's video with something very powerful. Something very powerful that you need to hear, and that is your teeth can heal. Your teeth can actually heal. Yes, you heard me right. You don't have to live in pain, embarrassment, or fear because of tooth problems. Your mouth is designed by nature to repair, protect, and renew itself. If you give it the right care and the right environment, the environment of our mouth determines how the health of our mouth will be. Maybe you've been struggling with cavities, that's tooth decay, you have your tooth decay, right? Most people don't know what tooth decay means or cavity means. Once you have a black spot or your teeth is getting rotten, is wearing down, bleeding gums, bad breath, or even missing teeth. And sometimes it feels like no matter how much you brush or visit the dentist, the problem keeps coming back. It keeps coming back. But here is the truth. Most people never learn how the mouth actually works so that the mouth can protect itself. Your saliva, your diet, your daily habits, all of them are parts of your body's natural healing system. Okay? When you eat healthy foods, you stay hydrated and keep sugar out of your mouth. Although we cannot do without having sugar in our mouths because some food digests and they turn to sugar, right? But you minimize your sugar intake. And also you give your body a chance to rebuild what was lost, all right? Now, think about it. Just like a cut on your skin heals, your mouth also has that same power to heal. But it just needs your cooperation. It needs your belief. You need to believe. You need to accept it and believe it. So that your belief and your actions will work together. Okay, let's take a moment to talk about your belief. Sometimes we give up too quickly. We just give up. We are tired. We don't know what to do. We just give up because we think damage is permanent. Damage is not permanent. But we have seen people turn their oral health around. We have seen it. We have seen people take control over their oral health. They know what to do and they do it and they are free. They are, more better. All right. We have seen people who had cavities that stopped growing. We have seen people that had gums that became firm again. Their gums were loose and became firm again. And we have seen teeth that became stronger. all because they didn't give up. They started small, drinking more water, chewing xylitol gum, even using xylitol crystals, using natural toothpaste, eating more fruits and vegetables, and speaking positively over their health. Speaking positively over their health. I want you to remember this. Your mouth listens to your habits. Yes. Your mouth listens to your habits, not your excuses. And it's not too bad to start now. So pick up yourself, encourage yourself, and start your oral journey afresh now. So today, make a commitment. Tell yourself, my teeth are healing. My mouth is healthy. My smile is strong. Say it daily, because what you believe influences what you do. Exactly. Then back up that belief. Then back that belief up with your actions. What are the actions that is needed for your healthy teeth? It's just as simple as your daily activities, drinking more water, reduce sugary snacks, and give your mouth time to recover naturally. Give your mouth rest. Stop eating every time, because each time you eat something, you are neutralizing you are washing away the nutrients from your teeth. Your oral health journey isn't about perfection. Just know that. It's about progress. And every day, you are getting closer to the smile you deserve. If this message encouraged you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Remember, this channel is here to remind you that your teeth matter. Your health matters. And you matter. Keep smiling. Keep believing. And I will see you in the next video, where we will talk about simple daily habits that can actually stop tooth decay naturally. See you in that video.